Ladies and gentlemen, it's been one of the warmest days of the summer so far, and tomorrow's going to be even hotter, on about 31, so that's definitely really warm. As you can see, beautiful sky this evening, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be showing you, some of you have asked me some questions on what I feed my planters. As you can see, this one must be 6 inches across, this begonia. Just started to really flower nicely now. These were late this year because we had some really bad weather, so it took them a long time to get going, but now they're going. As you can see, everything's really starting to, petunias, everything's really starting to take off. And I just show you what I feed and how I feed them. Always leave it till the evening, till the sun's just setting, so you don't want to burn anything. If you feed when it's nice and the sun's high in the sky, you get it on the leaves and you'll cause like a chemical burn to your plants, which you don't want. So just wait. That's what I do, just wait till the evening, and I shall show you what I'm going to be feeding my what I feed once or twice a week in the main season, which is now. You can mix this up yourself in your watering cans, but I prefer, this is what I use. This was I think it was a £3, it was an offer at my local shop, so I got it. So yeah, you can mix this up like I said per pot, or you can use one of these. Yeah, you can use one of these, like a Miracle Grow feeder. I think it was about 10 of this when I bought it. It's been well worth it. I've had it 3 or 4 years by now, and when everything's going this well, it just saves a lot of time, because you've got to fill your hanging baskets up so many, your watering can up so many times. This comes with 2 packets of this, yeah. As you can see, I've already used quite a lot. You don't have to fill it right up. This can take a full one of these bags, but I've got the planters and a few plants on the front to feed, so I shall just put probably half of this in. If there's any left, you can always tell if there's some left, because you get a blue. There's a blue colour, which is the dye in this liquid plant food. It turns the water blue, so like so. Always put it away nice and safely. You don't want any animals or any kids to get over this, so always out of reach, somewhere safe. Luckily I've got no kids, so not a problem. Right. Yeah, on the top here, as you can see, you've got 3 different settings. You've got jet, shower and flat. I just use the shower one. That way you get a nice even spray on everything. Cover it nice and tight. Once you've connected this, all you need to do then, you've got water and feed. To get it full up, just turn it down to water, press it, and as you can see, this will start filling up. There you go. That's it. Put water on feed. Starts filling up now. As soon as that gets to the top, I just want to water things at first. It gives you the choice, so you don't have to waste all your food. Like that's now at the top, so you just want to water up around like so. Just alter this, sorry about this. Give me a second. That's it. That's the one. Just set this on nicely. Yeah. As you can see, it just gives you a really good spray. And if anything's dry, what I tend to do is give it a really good water first. You don't want the food, the plant food, just to be running off. So yeah, this time in the evening you can really get things wet, and it's not going to evaporate. It's really going to soak in. So yeah, this is my planters on the front. And now I've got here. All I have to do is just turn that round to the feeding. And all that happens then, the water mixes in there and you get the food coming out. So You can always tell when it's working because you always get a slight blue colour, slight blue tinge to it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. You've got just turning blue. So you don't want to get on the leaves anyway. I tend not to, unless you're foliar feeding, which you can do that then. Just from the bottom, give them really good stuff, and then you end up with flowers like that 6 inches across. This is a rose that we got given for hoping somebody move. I've sprayed it for powdery mildew and rust, and I've discovered it's got all these because the caterpillars have been at it, so something else I need to spray tomorrow. But yeah, they save so much time. Like I said, it does say put a full one at them in, but you don't have to do that. A third if you've got a smaller garden, or a 10-15%. But once you can see this has got a fertilizer in it with the bubbles there, like the top and the top. Once you give them a good soaking, that one's on. This one as well. Yeah, I love this time in the evening. The smell when it's summer is just divine. The grass, the flowers, the scent of the lilies I've got here, it's just divine. But yeah, these do really respond well to at least 2 feeds a week because they're putting that much energy into all the flowers. But yeah, this one has got a super big stem, this dahlia, and that red, I just love the colour. But yeah, make sure you... Yep, here we go, these are the pots. So, I'm not going to be feeding these agapanthus, these are just starting to flower, these have had enough food, I think. I'm going to feed these are my pelargoniums, and I've got them. And these are what I got from Fibrix Nursery, as you can see, absolutely divine. Some of the best purchases I made this year, some of the only purchases I made. I've got everything else from seed. But yeah, you can see them perk up, some you feed them, everything, and look at the buds on them, queen mums. These are going to be absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I always forget the name of the plants. But these are definitely not petunias. Yeah, these primulas are what I got from one of the nurseries. It was only a couple of quid. I got, bloody hell, I think I got 20 or 40 of them. These are my delphiniums that I've grown from seed. These are quite hungry plants as well. As you can see, really beautiful flowers. I've had a lot of high winds though, but I love the black eyes in the centre there. That's definitely a keeper, that. This one is slightly different, that's black with a little bit of white, a little bit of grey. They're definitely nice plants. Right, these echinaceas are doing really well. You can see I love the centres. Absolutely gorgeous, and these dahlias are really starting to flower nicely. So I'll give these a feed. These are really hungry at the moment. I love walking around here and just doing this. Oh, it's so enjoyable. Any worries? Go out, do a bit of weeding, do a bit of watering. The perfect tonic. Right, yeah, these begonias really do need feeding twice a week at this stage. Because they're putting all that energy into all these beautiful flowers. There's pink, reds, there's some white ones around the front there. And there's some really good ones just over there, I don't know if you can see them. They'll be 6 inches across. And that's enough for them. These Hawthorn baskets, these begonias in here, ones I've taken cuttings from, as you can see, just starting to get the flower buds on them now. So I've knocked them back so they're only a couple inches tall in single 9cm pots when I put them up in there. And yeah, this pink pelargonium is probably my favourite colour. I just love the way it's just wishy-washy. It's pink, it's a little bit of white in there. Right. A bit of feed, pelargoniums. And these are my climbers. This is my clematis. Just love, it's not a double, it's not a triple, just a single, but it's so beautiful. Give that a good feed. And these are my lilies. These ones have been in, I got this from Harrogate Flower Show as bulbs. And as you can see, lily beetles have been after. I'm planning to spray them again tomorrow, probably, or the day after. Yeah, these pots. Just had a couple of spaces in the border, so I just thought, right, still a weed's coming up. And a couple of spare containers, so I just planted up some pelargoniums and some dahlias, and I think they look really well. These stocks have really performed really well this year. The smell is just, wow, yeah, it just seems to get stronger in the evening. And this, I took this watering can, I don't know if you can see how good that is. I'm so proud of that. There's a double, I like the single lilac one there, that's really nice. But this needs a really good feed. Because this is super hungry. You can see here, beautiful flowers. Really proud of that. Really have stopped this water tank leaking. Got some good use out of it and potted it up. Happy accident. And they're proud of it really. Right. This one is one from last year. And I just love the velvet. They're starting to shimmer. The petals. This is a hungry plant as well. And this one, just cutting I took from a neighbour. Took 3 cuttings and I've now probably got 30 or 40 of them. Right, here we go. These begonias really don't need a feed. I don't want to get any food on these. These are my poppies. These are my cuttings there. Let's have one more begonia. Yeah, I'm nearly finished now. It's not taking long. Probably 10-15 minutes. But yeah, this is what I got from Aldi last year. And as you can see, no, this year I got it from Aldi actually. No, last year. As you can see, it's in a small pot, but I keep it well watered, well fed. It's doing really well. Not vaccinated at all. And this ivy leaf pelargonia, I love the way the petals spread out. And that's it, yeah. Best thing to feed your plants and containers on. I would definitely recommend this to anybody. Takes a lot of hassle. I know it's a tenner. Once you've spent your tenner, you've got it for 3 or 4 years at least, minimum. Even longer if you look after it. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe, folks. And remember, please give me a thumbs up. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Thank you, bye.